it's Lonnie with Crafty Traveler. As you can see, I'm not very well lit. So I purchased this light so that I could record with better lighting. Let's unbox it. I am a 71-year-old woman who loves to camp and travel. Most of the time, I take my little Schnauzer Snickers with me. I belong to 4 lady camp groups, and one I started in my area. One of the reasons we bought the Minnie Winnie was so I could go more on my own, or with my lady camper groups. My channel, Crafty Traveler, isn't only about crafting, it's about being crafty smart. When traveling, camping, quilting, and doing crafts. I purchased this light off of Amazon a few weeks ago and haven't unboxed it yet. And now I want to unbox it for you. It is the Ubeesize ring light set, and can be used for recording and such. So I'm going to unbox it. So, opening the box, of course. This is probably the light stand. And this is the power cords for the light, and another piece of the stand. Oh, and a little, looks like a little remote. And then there's the ring. Comes all packaged like this. I'm going to be trying to be careful to open this. Oh, good. There is an opening. I can just open it up, and so I can save that. There's the ring, and there are some instructions. So I need to read those. And it lists, first of all, it lists the equipment, and here's the pamphlet listing equipment and how to set it up. So let me see if I can do this. This is the foldable phone clip that I clip my phone into. And this is a Bluetooth remote. And of course, the light itself. So here's the bag that has the tripod in it. It's that hard to get out. How is it going to be getting back in? And it's got cellophane on it, of course. So there's the tripod. Looks very similar to any tripod that I've used. There we go. So here's the tripod. It's adjustable up and down here as well as the legs. There's even a little level right there to indicate if you're level or not. So the next thing that goes on is the actual light. It goes here on top. This little screw is, and you tighten it underneath, just like that. Make it nice and tight so it doesn't fall off. There we are. There's the light. And then the phone holder goes up here, and there is a little dial right here that tightens that. There we go. Okay. That's what it looks like. To sit here, I'm going to have to either put it down on my seat and look up at it, or I can tip it down, I guess. I'll have to play with that. All right. Now I've got to put the power to it. So to plug it in, that little plug-in spot is on the right side as you're looking at it, or the left side of the light. See if I can get it plugged in. Yes. Plugged in. The little blue indicator light indicates that it is on. And now I'm going to, whoa, that's bright. And you can tone it down, I think. There we go. That tones it. Different warmer or cooler light. I kind of like the cooler light. And you're supposed to be able to turn it down. Yeah. Dim it. That's good. And then this one, oop, that's the on and off. There we go. That's the cooler light. And then the plus brings it up brighter. Okay. Let's get the phone in there so I can see what that looks like. Okay, I've put my phone in there. Now I'm ready to record a video using my light. So I'll probably do that on the next video. If you thought this was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe. Thanks for watching. So here's what I look like with my new ring light on my phone. How does that look? Do you like it? Give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.